Well, hello everyone. I'd like to show you where I was staying, my home, while I'm looking for my future home. I'm Giovanni Porter II, 001 Emperor Jin, known by others as many names. CYCL is also a name that I'm known by. I'm a Mormon now. I'm a Christian. I believe in all faiths, all races, all colors, all creeds. I want to stop all wars. I want to bring peace to our world, this one and the next. Some of you may see me and say, well, I heard he was crazy, or maybe there's something wrong with him. No. I just like to create, but no one ever talks to me about the things I like. I met a woman who did. May never see her again, but I'll tell you this. It's one of my greatest moments in my life. Many of you don't understand that. Well, I hope she can one day be a friend. But to show you where my angel has followed me from 4252 Falcon Hill Street, North Las Vegas, Nevada, 89032, and I am Giovanni Porter II, the only Giovanni Porter II. My son is Giovanni Porter III. He's kind of taller than me. I'd like to show you where my angel rose here in North Las Vegas, and she rose again in Utah at the temple. These are my 6 paths to my emperor's chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is where I place my sword into the ground. The pictures, I guess you can't put them on YouTube, but you can find a way. I'll send them to you. Just leave me a message in my video. As you can see, this is where she went up and down into the ground. And this is a beautiful sky around me. God gives God's gifts. Gatling guns. We are the great star people. I am Giovanni Porter II. No lunatic. Just a man that believes in God, faith, redemption. Welcome to my redemption story. God bless you and whatever you believe. Because I believe in you. I believe. You too. Believe. Star people. Rise.